Hi, everybody. So we are going to talk about how to set up your availability in Navigate. So we're going to start off here at the Avila homepage, go over to Quick Links, click on Faculty and Staff, scroll down, click on Navigate. It's going to ask you to log in. You're going to use your same username and password that you use for Canvas, MyAU, and Outlook. So we're going to go ahead and log in here. And it will save it just like how mine is saved once you are logging in frequently. So on your homepage, your third tab should say My Availability. So here I already have some different availability set up. Once you click on this action button over here, you can add more time, you can copy availability times, delete time, add to your personal link, or remove from your personal link. So what we're going to do is add a time to our availability. So first thing, you're going to choose what days you're available to meet. So let's just say Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. How long is this active? You can choose just the current semester. You can choose a range of dates or forever. If your availability is probably not going to change at any point in time, you can just choose forever. For now, we'll just do the fall. Do we want to add this to our personal availability link? Yes, you do want to add it, and then we'll talk a little bit later about what the link is and how to use it. Down here, you can choose what type of availability this is for. So you have three options for your appointments. So this is just regular one-on-one meetings. Your drop-in time, so you could think of these as like your office hours or maybe advising office hours, whatever you want to do there. And then your campaigns. So in another video, we talk about how to send a campaign. That is where you can set up your availability. Let's say we have the same availability for appointments and campaigns, and we can do a different availability for drop-ins at a later time. You can choose 3 different meeting types. So you can do all 3 or just 1 or 2 or however many you want. We're going to do all 3 for this example. You're then going to select your care unit. So your care unit is the area of campus that you're working in. So some people you might see only the area that you're working in, and then other people you might see multiple areas here. So I'm in the student success area, so that's what I would select. It's only offered in a few locations on campus, so I'm going to select HOTUS, which is where I'm actually located. You can do the different services here that you want to offer during the times that you've set up. So I'm going to choose academic success planning. Let's do midterm check-in and progress report check-in. So those are my services. From here, you can put your meeting URL. So if you have a personal meeting room on Zoom or on Microsoft Teams, you can add that link in right here. So when students set up a virtual meeting with you, they can just click on the link right in their meeting confirmation email that they receive. Or you can add your phone number or both. I would say if your link is really long, there might not be room for the phone number, so you might have to put that somewhere else. Or if you're not offering phone meetings, so let's say we are not offering phone meetings, then you really wouldn't need to put your phone number here. So let's just go ahead and do our Zoom link. And then down here, you can add any sort of special instructions. So you can say, you know, like, please bring your schedule, your planner. If your office is in like a weird place, you can add that in. My office is, you know, at the bottom of the stairs to the left. So whatever you want to add in here, you can add in any instructions for the student to do before they come to your meeting. If you are going to be meeting with multiple students, you can add in that number here. So maybe you're doing group advising sessions or something like that, or for your drop-in appointments, you can have more than one person. Well, they won't have to set up a meeting if it's a drop-in appointment. But if you're having an appointment, you can do however many max number of students here, or you can just leave it at 1 if you want 1 person per appointment. So we're going to hit save, and then that adds right in here is the top link. And if you want to edit it, you just hit this edit button. You can change your availability after you've already set it up, or if something happens and you're like, oh, okay, I don't think I need that, you can check this box here, and then you can hit delete or copy or anything like that. All right. And then the personal availability link is right down here. So as soon as you do your availability up here, this link will generate. So if you don't have anything set up, this area is probably going to be blank on your screen. So right here, you can add this, you can copy it, add it to your email signature. You can send it in an email to students. So whenever a student is like, oh, how do I set up a meeting with you? You can say, oh, click this link, and you can see the times and dates that I'm available on my calendar. So we're going to click it, see what it looks like. So it's going to take you to this new appointment page. This is what the students will see. So it's going to ask, what area of campus would you like to meet with? Normally, if a student is clicking on this, it should just come right up with the services that you're offering, but mine does the same. So I only have 2 areas that I work in. So let's do student success. And then academic success planning, Casey Scholars Check-in. These are the different services that I'm providing. So let's click that. We're going to hit find available time. And then from here, it'll show students exactly what days and times you have open. So if you have meetings on your calendar, those times will be blocked off. Obviously, I have lots of availability coming up this week, but that is how you set up your availability. And then that's also what students will see when they click on your link. If you have any questions or you need to change anything, you can always go back and edit things and go from there. If you have questions, let us know. Thanks.